Connecticut State Police and Hartford HealthCare teamed up today for training that will hopefully save lives. Today, a group of state troopers who are cross-trained in the Emergency Services Unit refreshed some of their skills with Hartford HealthCare Center for Education, Simulation, and Innovation.
This year on a yearly basis. Once a year we try to come to this place and rehash some of the basic survival skills for that troopers really need to have to keep the public safe and our own personnel safe. So it's essential for our job and what we do.